Right now, AI video generation is moving insanely fast. But even with all these new models coming out, most of them still have the exact same problem. The moment scenes become even slightly complex, everything starts breaking. Motion gets weird, characters lose consistency, objects start morphing, camera movement falls apart, and honestly, that's been one of the biggest limitations of AI video for a long time. But Higgsfield Seedance 2.0 genuinely feels different. This thing can generate cinematic multi-shot AI videos with realistic motion, stable character consistency, synchronized audio, and surprisingly good camera transitions, all from a single workflow. And what's even crazier is that it supports multimodal generation. So instead of relying only on prompts, you can combine text, images, videos, and even audio references together to shape the final result. So in this video, I'm going to test Seedance 2.0 myself, try different cinematic scenes and workflows, and see why people are saying this is one of the best AI video generation models available right now. Let's get into it. First, head over to the Higgsfield website. And once you log in, you'll see that Higgsfield is much more than just a single AI model. It's basically a full AI image and video creation platform with tools for cinematic content, AI UGC ads, image generation, multi-shot storytelling, and more. But for this video, we're focusing specifically on Seedance 2.0. So go ahead and open the video section and select Seedance 2.0. This takes you into the main workspace where all the generation happens. The interface is actually really clean and beginner-friendly, but there's a lot of powerful stuff built into it. At the top, you'll find different presets and styles to speed up your workflow. And below that, you can upload image, video, or audio references to guide your generations. So instead of relying only on prompts, you can actually control the overall look, motion, and cinematic feel of the final result. But for now, let's start simple and generate our first cinematic scene. So for the first test, I want to see how well Seedance 2.0 handles cinematic environments, lighting, and realistic motion. For this one, I'm going to use this prompt. A cinematic scene of a detective walking through a foggy alley in Tokyo at night. Neon signs glowing through the rain, steam rising from vents, camera slowly tracking beside him, while people move naturally in the background. Dramatic lighting, realistic motion, emotional atmosphere, ultra-realistic, cinematic thriller style, 4K. First, make sure Seedance 2.0 is selected. Then I'll set the duration to 10 seconds and switch the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a more cinematic look. I'll keep the resolution at 720p for this test. And once everything's ready, let's hit generate and see what Seedance 2.0 creates. And honestly, this came out way better than I expected. The atmosphere feels incredibly cinematic, especially with the fog, lighting, and reflections blending together naturally throughout the scene. The camera movement also feels surprisingly smooth and controlled, instead of looking random or glitchy. What really stands out is how stable everything stays, even with multiple moving elements happening at the same time. The background characters, rain, lighting, and motion all stay consistent from shot to shot. This is usually the point where most AI video models start breaking apart, but Seedance 2.0 handles it really well. Now let's push things a bit further and try something with much faster motion and more complex camera movement. Because cinematic scenes are one thing, but action sequences are usually where AI video models completely fall apart. So for this one, I'm going to use this prompt. A cinematic scene of a futuristic sports car drifting through a crowded neon street at night. Sparks flying as tires slide across the wet road. Camera rapidly switching between low-angle tracking shots and wide cinematic drone shots. Realistic motion, intense atmosphere, dynamic lighting, slight motion blur, ultra-realistic action film style, 4K. This time, I'm going to increase the duration to 15 seconds to really test the consistency and motion quality. Now let's hit generate and see how Seedance 2.0 handles a much more demanding cinematic sequence. this turned out incredibly impressive. The speed, motion, and camera transitions all feel much more realistic than what you normally see from AI video models. Even with all the movement happening at once, the scene still stays stable and cinematic the entire way through. The reflections, lighting, drifting effects, and motion blur all blend together naturally instead of looking chaotic or broken. What really surprised me is how well Seedance 2.0 maintains consistency during fast action scenes. Usually this is where objects start morphing, environments start changing randomly, or the motion completely falls apart. But here, it actually holds everything together really well. Now let's test one of the most powerful features inside Seedance 2.0, reference-based generation. So far, we've only been using text prompts. But this time, I'm going to upload a reference image and use it as the foundation for the entire scene. For this example, I'm using an image of a Siberian Husky and a golden retriever sitting together in the back of a moving pickup truck during sunset. And this is where things get really interesting because Seedance 2.0 can take a single image and turn it into a full cinematic sequence with realistic motion and atmosphere. Now I'm going to guide the scene using this prompt. A cinematic scene of a Siberian Husky and a golden retriever riding in the back of a pickup truck during sunset. Wind naturally moving their fur. Camera slowly tracking beside the truck while warm sunlight reflects across the road. Realistic motion, emotional atmosphere, cinematic lighting, detailed environment, ultra-realistic, cinematic film style, 4K. Now let's hit generate and see how Seedance 2.0 transforms this image into a full cinematic video. And honestly, this came out incredibly realistic. The fur movement, lighting, and overall motion feel surprisingly natural, especially with the truck moving and the environment changing in the background. What really stands out is how well Seedance 2.0 preserves the look and consistency of both dogs throughout the entire sequence. Usually with AI video, animals start morphing or losing detail once motion gets involved. But here, everything stays stable and cinematic from start to finish. Even the lighting and atmosphere evolve naturally as the camera moves, which makes the final result feel much closer to a real film shot than a typical AI-generated video. Alright, now let's try something completely different and see how Seedance 2.0 handles detailed animals and softer cinematic scenes. This time, I'm going to upload a reference image of two fluffy Persian cats sitting together near a rainy apartment window at night. And now, I'm going to guide the scene using this prompt. A cinematic scene of two fluffy Persian cats sitting beside a rainy window at night, city lights glowing softly in the background. One cat slowly turning its head, while the other stretches naturally. Subtle camera push-in shot, warm ambient lighting, cozy atmosphere, realistic fur movement, ultra-realistic cinematic film style, 4K. Now let's hit generate and see how Seedance 2.0 handles a more emotional and detailed cinematic scene like this. And honestly, this might be one of my favorite results so far. The amount of detail in the fur, lighting, and subtle motion looks incredibly realistic. Even the tiny movements feel natural instead of overly animated or artificial. What really surprised me is how well Seedance 2.0 handles softer cinematic scenes like this while still keeping everything stable and visually consistent. The atmosphere, reflections, depth, and lighting all work together in a way that makes the final video feel genuinely cinematic. Overall, I can definitely see why so many creators are starting to pay attention to Seedance 2.0 right now. It's easily one of the most impressive AI video generation tools I've tested recently, especially when it comes to motion quality, cinematic consistency, and multi-shot storytelling. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave my link in the description, where you can check out Higgsfield Seedance 2.0 with up to 70% off. Definitely test it out yourself and see what you can create.